Sometimes life throws you a curveball, and coaches are always ready to step in when the game plan changes.
We also take care of athletes and things happen, so we're used to seeing accidents and getting involved.
But this time, it wasn't one of Christy Bingham and Brad Dees' athletes at Riverdale High School who needed help, but rather a construction worker who collapsed while working near the softball practice field on a hot day in September.
I hit the ground and just checked for vitals, and by the time I did that, Brad was there. And I think we didn't really talk that much. I just said, Brad,
No.
You got CPR, and I'm going for the AED, and I took off, and Brad took over.
He literally looked like he was already gone.
Yeah, no
I mean,
pulse.
he was completely out.
Dees started compressions.
That lasted maybe 2 minutes worth, and then like a bolt of lightning, he kind of came to life a little bit and started to throw up some stuff. We kept going until paramedics got there.
When I saw his eyes go open, I mean, I was elated because, like, that deep breath you take, you know.
Both coaches say their CPR training immediately kicked in.
It gave us that quick instinct to do it rather than think about it.
So we know that we have to be a team. You know, somebody has to call 911, somebody has to get the AED, somebody has to do CPR.
That teamwork paid off. The man who had no pulse before Dees performed CPR was brought back to life and taken to the hospital to recover. But neither Dees nor Bingham feel like a hero.
You know, that's also a God moment. We're not in control of that. We were just the tools that were used.
I'm glad he'll be here this Christmas.
Yeah.
You know, I think about those kind of things. I think if you're a teacher, you're not here for the money. I think if you're a teacher, you truly are trying to make an effect on other people's lives, whether that's kids or whether that's the construction worker working on the school. I know Coach here is selfless when it comes to the stuff around here. I know pretty much everybody in this building. I can tell you 20 other, at least teachers I know would have done the exact same thing had that been in that moment. We just happened to be right there at that moment.
They say if you ever find yourself right there at that moment when someone needs help, don't hesitate to act. You just may save a life. In Murfreesboro, Haley Wilgus, News 2.